Task number 13, challenge number 9, the chatbot confession. Let's open the view and see. We are prompted with a chat where we have a chatbot, right? And we see here that we have pre-configured issues. TBFC AI assistant festive bot was meant to help write cheerful emails, but it's been spelling secrets. Some messages reveal internal URLs and even passwords. AI tools can be powerful, but defenders must know how to prevent them from oversharing. Objective: identify which chatbot message contains sensitive information. Well, we just seen this one. Email credentials are requested. User festive OBA and password, we see it over here. We've seen this one also, service token, which is another one. So basically these two. And let's see what else. Reminder, admin lives at for content. This one is also not good. Okay, so steps. Read each line of the conversation, select the ones containing private data, and then submit your findings. And boom, there you go.